Double-hung windows. Pell City is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in providing top-notch double-hung windows Pell City installation services, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's existing design. With a focus on quality and precision, we guarantee satisfaction with every installation. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Pell City are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient windows is designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing our energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Pell City Window Replacement Services offer a comprehensive solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our team of professionals provides expert guidance and installation services, ensuring that your new windows meet your specific needs and preferences. With a wide range of styles and materials available, our window replacement services in Pell City are tailored to suit any home. Custom window solutions in Pell City allow homeowners to create unique and personalized window designs. Our experienced designers work closely with clients to develop custom window solutions that reflect their individual style and enhance their home's overall appearance. From unique shapes to specialized materials, our custom window solutions are crafted to meet your exact specifications. Window replacement experts in Pell City are dedicated to restoring the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you're dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or malfunctioning hardware, our window replacement experts have the skills and experience to address any issue. Trust our team to provide reliable and efficient window replacement services in Pell City. Vinyl double-hung windows. Pell City options offer a durable and low-maintenance solution for homeowners. Our vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles and colors, providing a versatile option that complements any home design. With excellent insulation properties and resistance to weathering, vinyl window options in Pell City are a smart investment for any homeowner. Pell City window frame materials are available in a range of options to suit different preferences and budgets. From traditional wood to modern aluminum and vinyl, our selection of window frame materials ensures that you find the perfect match for your home. Each material offers unique benefits, including durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Double-pane windows in Pell City are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our double-pane windows feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating layer in between, providing superior thermal performance and soundproofing. Upgrade to double-pane windows in Pell City for a more comfortable and quiet home environment. Window glass replacement in Pell City is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our skilled technicians provide prompt and professional window glass replacement services, addressing issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging. Trust our team to restore your windows to their original condition with our expert window glass replacement